Hi, I'm Robin Higgins, and this is How to Write Molecular Compounds. All right, so to write molecular compounds, we're going to need our handy-dandy prefix list. I've written that up here. And so let's just start in with an example. Let's look at this guy. So the first thing we need to do is identify how many numbers we have of each element. So our first one's sulfur, we have 1. For oxygen, we have 2. So a rule is that if we have our first element and it only has 1, we eliminate the prefix. We just don't use it. So this would be monosulfur if we're using the prefix, but we're not going to. So it's just sulfur. And now we need to use 2, so that's di. And we have oxygen. And another rule is that our last element ends in the letters IDE or ide. So instead of oxygen, we're going to say oxide. So this name is sulfur dioxide. Let's look at one more example. So everyone's favorite chemical, H2O or water, but let's give it its formal name. So our first element is hydrogen, and we have 2, so di. Hydrogen, that's easy. And now we have 1 oxygen, and remember, we only eliminate the mono prefix if it's first. This is second, so we're going to use it. So we have mono. And once again, we're going to end oxygen in IDE, so we're going to say oxide. This already has an O right here, so we're just going to say monoxide. So the formal name of water is dihydrogen monoxide. Let's look at one more example. So if we have this guy, we can name it carbon with no mono since it's first. Now I have to look for 4, tetra. And this Cl stands for chlorine, but again, we're going to end in ide, so chloride. And that's it. I'm Robin Higgins, and this has been How to Name Molecular Compounds.